Hello guys, I am back with another unboxing of the HomePod Mini. It is backwards. Maybe it's not going to be backwards for you, but it is for me. It says I don't know. Think my camera's up here working. It should be. If it's not, then I'll be really disappointing. I will angle this down so you can see. If you guys want more unboxings, please comment below. I don't have much to unbox right now. I do plan on getting the 13 Pro and Apple Watch Series 7, and I'll review them. Also, my AirPods review, which I have right here, and I will be coming up soon with those. Anyway, I'm gonna use a knife, if this knife even works, so I can like keep the box. I don't know if this knife works. This is just a sort of butter knife. Is this working? I'm sorry, HomePod. Got this nice sheet of plastic. Ugh. This might work better than our AirPods one did. Sounds like it is. And there it is. Wow. This is like, and you can kind of press down it. I probably shouldn't, it might break something. It's pretty good. And then you immediately get it to USB-C. I don't see very many boxings about this, but the cord is a nice braided one like the new iMacs. And here we got this little thingy. We got instructions for the brick. I have always wanted one of these. Yeah, I haven't got one because with the new iPhones they won't have them, and this is kind of cool. I also got the instructions for the HomePod Mini. You know what would be cool, because I know the white ones will probably have a white braided cable and look white, but I wish there was a black brick to match this. That would be sick. Oh yeah, and this is just as glossy. Oh man, I don't use new Apple products because this is just as glossy as the AirPods were. These aren't as glossy anymore, but kind of funny. It's a huge, big brick. I might even, yeah. I guess I kind of have to use it for this, so. I don't have another USB-C brick. This isn't lightning or anything, or USB-C stuff, or USB. So I can't use this for my iPhone to charge it super fast. I'm gonna change cameras because I'm gonna do a little setup, but I don't have the right power to because I don't have a plug-in for this. So that was the unboxing part of the video, and now we'll set it up. While I was bored getting my videos to work, I figured out that, for one thing, there's Apple stickers that actually come with the HomePod. And I also figured out that my new setup lighting thing has lights. Or it should. Oh, whoa. Yeah. Disco, you can't really see any of this. I probably should have you. That's red. That's green. That's blue. That's yellow. It's purple. Kind of like that one. Pretty good. That one's like more cyan. That's, I should probably not do this. Anyway. So, what you do is you find the nearest wall outlet. Oh, you can't see. Plug it in. And then you wait for the HomePod to do something. Oh, it's glowing. What will Siri say to me? Probably say, Apple will rule the world. I still have the weird red disco one and it's just going around. Whoa. Hi. Siri? Alexa? Hey, what am I supposed to do? Do I need to not stop recording? Connect to Bluetooth on your phone? Oh, I gotta do this with my phone now. Oh, that's why. Oh, well, I'll get back to you in a second when I set it up. That was a very easy setup. It just said, when I went out of camera, it immediately brought up, hey, HomePod, and so I was like, okay. I clicked setup, and and then it said, and it was like the weird watch thing. If you have a watch and it says to scan your watch, it also said just scan the HomePod. And then it told me what it can do, which is kind of cool, and it's actually a really good speaker just doing it. Hey Siri, what's the weather?
It's currently clear and 90 degrees, with air quality that's considered unhealthy. Temperatures are heading down from 90 degrees to 79 tonight.
That's good. But yeah, we have kind of bad air. I also added my logo because to distract from copyright of Star Wars. But yeah, the HomePod is pretty good so far. I actually wish I kind of set it up over there. I wish I could just show you how I set it up, but I need to get my iPhone 7 back to record videos, not my stupid iPhone 6. HomePod, you're pretty good. Anyway, I'll have a review on this and my AirPods soon. Hope you guys like this video, so give it a like, comment, share, subscribe. See you soon. Peace.